Join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. Average rating for this course is 4.5. Okay? The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me. If, else, and WAITFOR. So we will start with if and else, which we often use in all development in Transact SQL. Okay? So when if is true, it's therefore executed. Okay? The if condition is if the if condition is not met, the Boolean expression returns the value false and thus goes execute the else. Else it's used in the case when too. Okay, we will see a very simple example. We will assign this variable with the integer with an age of 15. Okay, so I'm gonna put a condition. So if there is a person who have the age of 15, it will run this select. Else, it will run the second one. In this case, the age of 15 in my table contact does not exist. Okay, there's no age of 15. So it will execute the second select. Okay, it will take all the age different from 15. Let's run this query, and I must remove the name and first name column, and you can see that it selects all the age because it runs the second one, select age, where the age different from 15. Okay? And if I want to change, for example, the variable for the age, I put the 17 and run this query, so it's okay. Okay? It runs the first select because the age equal the age of 17. Okay? So don't forget the if and the else in your Transact SQL script, which you often use in your development. Okay, WAITFOR blocks the execution of the processing storage procedure or transaction until the specified time or time interval is reached. WAITFOR, it's an SQL function that is very handy, especially for DBA. Personally, I use it very often. Okay, when, for example, we are going to do 2 jobs and we want to put a break between them. The syntax is very simple. Begin. So begin. I begin a transaction. I start a transaction. So begin, like the begin, as you seen in the storage procedure section, following the wait for delay. Okay. After the 2 seconds, it will execute the system storage procedure SPF DB with the hand. Okay, when you see a begin, you always write a end. Okay, begin and end is always associated. Okay, so let's run this wonderful query, and you can see that after the 2 seconds, okay, after the 2 seconds, it executes the SPLDB storage procedure. So now you know what is if else, sorry, and don't forget the wait for when you want to set a break in the processing. Okay, so let's go to the next demonstration.